In this video, I'm going to teach you the best free Audimee alternatives for vocal cleanup. So I have right here the top AI audio cleanup tools, and you can find it right here. So starting first, we have right here the tools and how it was tested. First, we have 11 Labs Voice Isolator. It has a free version but requires sign up. You can access it via web and it supports audio only for now. Now, you can also use Adobe Podcast to enhance your speech. It requires sign up, but it has a free version as well. Now, we also have Riverside.fm for the Magic Audio option. So, it doesn't have a free version. It requires Pro tier right there. And it also supports format for audio and video. We also have the script for the studio sound. It has a free version and requires or supports audio and video both. So last we have the lalal.ai for the voice cleaner. It has a free version. Sign up is not required, but no file download available. It also supports audio and video, but audio only for free. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.